Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. We're going to teach you how to better your affiliate marketing. We're going to give you some tips about affiliate marketing that will earn you a lot of money. So let's get started. Tip number one is sign up to as many affiliate marketplaces as you can. As we know, each affiliate marketplace is filled with a certain number of products. So when we have a certain number of products, we pick the ones that we like and we share those, we promote those. But in this case, if we sign up to more than one, we are going to be able to pick from a wider variety of products, and the better variety we have, the better products we're going to pick. We might be able to pick products that are better for us, that we can sell easier, and that we can share to different communities that might be more profitable. So make sure to sign up to as many marketplaces as you can. We have CJ Affiliates, we have ClickBank, we have Amazon Associates, and we have plenty of them. So make sure to sign up to as many as you can because they're free anyway. Number two is going to be offer several products and in more than one platform. So you're gonna be offering more than just one product. A lot of people just pick one product and they share that, keep sharing it, right? In this case, you're gonna pick more than one. This is why you want to sign up to as many as you can, because you're gonna pick more than one, 3 if you can, 4, 5, as many as you can manage. That's the best number you can be sharing, because the more you share, the more opportunities you have for a sale, and the different products give you a different variety of people to which you can try different things and try to increase your sales. So make sure that you are signing up to other places, selling more than one product, and that you are selling it in more than one platform. Use YouTube, use Instagram, use Facebook, use whatever you need and wherever people are, in order for you to sell the product. Number three is going to be use the affiliate tools, right? So whenever we sign up to an affiliate marketing program, for example, if we go to ClickBank and we go to the products, they usually have affiliate marketing tools. Affiliate marketing tools are very helpful because they'll give you tools that you don't need to create, that have already been tested and that they know work, that you can use and start using to sell the products yourself. So you can just go copy and paste, you can go use them like banners and images, testimonials, videos. You can just go get them and then take them to wherever you're sharing it, and use those same resources so that they can help you sell the product better and you can increase your sales. But make sure that you look at all of the tools you have available to you in order to sell better, because the better you sell, the more money you're gonna make. Number four is going to be think physical stores too, right? So not only do we have affiliate marketing on online marketplaces, but we also have it with physical stores. For example, Sears has affiliate marketing, Macy's has affiliate marketing, Best Buy, right? So many of these physical stores will have affiliate programs that you can join, and you can use your links to incline people to buy products from them online. The advantage with those companies is that they're very well known and they have on-store pickup. So it's a good advantage for the buyer and it's a good advantage for you. It's a different type of strategy of selling, but it's definitely a good opportunity for you to increase your sales. So make sure that you think outside of the box, and make sure you think outside of the computer and start thinking in physical stores that you could be promoting, and make sure that you find out if they have an affiliate program or not. The fifth and final tip I have for you is to use Google Trends. Trends are something that people are talking about, people are looking at, and using Google Trends will help you determine what people are looking at, what people are searching, what people are looking for. And when you know what people are looking for, you know what people are buying. For example, with this whole pandemic thing, the search for hand sanitizer went crazy up during the month of February and March. So make sure that you are attentive to trends. Make sure you're using Google Trends as a tool to help you guide your decisions on what products to promote, on what products to reinvest in, on what products to put your focus on, so that you can sell those products, because of the situation, right? So make sure that you are using all of the tools around you, including your situation, using Google Trends to know what's going on, to sell more of your products and earn more money. Now, I want to thank you very much for watching our video. We hope these tips are helpful for you, and if you like them, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. We're constantly uploading videos and new ways to make money online. So we thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you again. Take care.